the President of Senegal.
Ishara ya President wa Senegal Bassirou Diomaye Faye guku bururi-ini itinda kinyamuthia muthenya wa ira thutha wa gwikinyata mugeni wa gitio mambura-ini ma Mashujaa kaunti-ini ya Kitui muthi akigĩa gĩikaro na President William Ruto thingira-ini wa iregi Nairobi. Atongoria aya magikiranira ngirimiti ciganona cia kumatia ngwatanĩro ya mabũrũri maya merĩ
to promoting African self-sufficiency.
Mwe wa maria maiguithanirio ari kwehereria raia kuma mabũrũri maya merĩ marũa ma visa nginya thikũ 90 no na gũkiri ũguo atongoria ni makinyĩrĩirie aria mena matanya ma gũkĩria ihinda rĩa gũcera matigũcaĩrĩrwo nĩ guoko kwa watho.
Senegal is willing to work together with Kenya for better taking into account Africa's priorities at national, continental and international levels.
We recognize the foundations that already exist between our two nations and are pleased to announce the conclusion of a new visa waiver arrangement that will allow citizens of both countries visa-free travel for up to 90 days. This important milestone will foster stronger people-to-people ties and boost tourism, trade, and collaboration. In a bid to deepen our bilateral ties, the Joint Commission for Cooperation remains a vital platform for monitoring and expanding our bilateral agreements.
Na gũkiri ũguo, President Ruto ni atarĩirie bata wa kumatia ngwatanĩro ya mabũrũri maya merĩ kĩwonjoria atongoria ya magĩtambũrũkia mĩhĩnga ĩrĩa ĩrabatarania kweherio.
Cooperation, we noted that trade volumes between Kenya and Senegal remains very low. To address this, we commit to working together to remove barriers, enhance transport and digital infrastructure while harmonizing standards and promoting business-to-business engagement.
Faye ni eranĩire bũrũri wa Senegal ni weheanĩte harĩ gũtigĩrĩra thayũ gĩtarũ-inĩ kĩa Africa. Ruto akiuga gĩtarũ gĩkĩ itingĩtherema kĩwonjoria gũtarĩ na thayũ.
A region that is not stable, that is not peaceful, that has no security, cannot attract investment, cannot foster trade, and cannot enhance entrepreneurship. We expressed appreciation for the ongoing initiatives aimed at strengthening peace and security in our region.
That you will always be able to count on my personal commitment and Senegal's full support for the success in these initiatives of peace and security in the region.